I bought this DREO fan from Amazon and I absolutely love this thing. I've been using it for about 2 weeks now. It was super easy to put together. It's super sturdy. If you knocking it around, not gonna happen. And it's on a table right here. I'm gonna answer all your questions about it, show you it up front. It does come with a remote control. It blows up to 100 feet away. This thing really does it all. This is just such a great fan. I love this so much. So right off the bat, you could either control it via the remote right over here. So it will oscillate. It will go 120 degrees. So to oscillate it, we're just going to hit this button right over here and it's going to start moving back and forth. And it covers such a long range and it will go up to 100 feet back. You have 9 different speeds on this. So I'm gonna go up over here. I'm gonna stop the oscillation. You're gonna see at this camera right over here, it's gonna start to shake the camera a little bit. You see it's kind of shaking right now. It looks a little shaky. That's how powerful this thing is. And you get 9 of those. And you also have 4 different modes. So you have an auto, and you could change the modes just using this button right over here. So this is going to be the turbo mode. This is going to be your highest mode right over here. This sleep time mode is going to lower the temperature, lower the speed and the sound of it. So it won't be as noisy. One of the best features about this right over here is if you look right over here, there's no display right over here. So that's great if you're sleeping. If you turn it up, this goes back on right over here. And then it's going to disappear in a little bit. So you don't have to worry about it waking you up. This weighted bottom is insane. This is basically like a dumbbell plate. That's the bottom of it. You're going to get this right over here. So it's going to be your top right over here. You get this bottom piece right over here. Literally screw this into here, put this base on, and literally just screw it in. They give you an Allen wrench and everything else you could possibly need, which is really, really nice. Love the fact that you also comes with this piece right over here. This is for your remote control. So you can just drop your remote control in here. You can put this anywhere on the fan you want if you wanted to. The base is adjustable as well. So you'll see right over here, it could go all the way down and you control that basically with this over here. So right over here, you'll see there's a little screw right over there. So if you want to bring it up a little bit, you could just tighten that screw if you wanted to, and it will stay right there. It goes from 37 inches, so that's what it is right now, up to 42 inches. So a lot of leeway right over there as well. It's super quiet. You do have a mute button right over here where you can make it more quiet if you want to. This is in sleep mode right now. So this is, we put it like that. It gets a little bit more quiet. I do like the idea that you could use the remote. So if you're at your desk or something, you don't have to worry about that at all. You could use this. Or if you wanted to go old school, you'll see right over here, we do have the display here. So that's going to turn it on or off. That is going to turn it back on. This is going to control your speed. This is going to control your mode right over here. This right over here is going to mute it down a little. This does have a timer, so you could just push that if you wanted to. You could do up to 8 hours on this. You could set that via the remote. And then this is the oscillate right over here. Super easy to move. Really like the design right over here. This isn't like your normal kind of standard fan. Kind of looks, when you look at this, just like this, you're like, ooh. Like, it doesn't look like a pedestal fan. It actually looks like something like, not a piece of art, but not kind of a rinky-dinky fan. So this is perfect for offices too, because it will be like a nice little display. And again, you could go 100 feet out. So if you are looking for an amazing fan that's easy to set up, easy to clean, 9 different speeds, 4 different modes, remote control, can control it from here, doesn't wobble when it's being hit, and this is on a table. I'm like kind of really hitting this. You're absolutely gonna love this fan, and you can go up to 100 feet, oscillation, 120 degrees. Absolutely love this thing. So if you're looking for a great fan, definitely check this one out.